So integration of question number 24, x square plus 1 root over, and in bracket log of x square plus 1 minus 2 log x upon x to the power 4 into dx. Okay, so question number 24 from NCERT miscellaneous. This can be written as x square plus 1 by x to the power 4 in bracket log of x square plus 1 upon x square into dx, log a minus log b, and this 2 will go here, so it will be log a by b. Okay, and here 1x will take inside, so it will come 1 plus 1 by x square in numerator, and here x cube, and log of 1 plus 1 by x square into dx. Now 1 plus 1 by x square equal to t. Okay, differentiate both side, minus 2 by x cube dx equal to dt. So dx by x cube equal to minus 1 by 2 into dt. Okay, so finally this integration can be written as minus 1 by 2 1 plus 1, so root t log of t into dt. Okay, now what to do? Put t equal to u square, so dt equal to 2u into du, and here we need to understand 1 plus 1 by x square equal to t we have taken, and t equal to u square we have taken, because finally we have to answer in x. Okay, so this integration can be written as minus 1 by 2 times root t is u into log of u square, and dt is 2u du, so 2 times u square into du. Done. So 2 cancel, minus times u square log of u square into du. Log of u square is 2 times, so minus 2 times u square log u into du. Okay, now this take first function, this takes second function, and integration by part. So derivative as it is, do the integration u cube by 3 minus do the differentiation and do the integration u cube by 3 into du. So minus 2 u cube log u by 3 minus plus 2 by 3 into u square into du. Okay, this is minus 2 by 3 u cube log u plus 2 by 3, and integration is u cube by 3 plus c. Now we are going to substitute minus 2 by 3 u cube in term of t, so 1 by 2, 3 by 2, t to the power 3 by 2, and log of u is root of t plus 2 by 3 u cube is t to the power 3 by 2, so 2 by 9, 3 3 is 9, u cube is t to the power 3 by 2 plus c. Finally put the value of t, so t is 1 plus 1, so minus 2 by 3, here it is 1 plus 1 by x square to the power 3 by 2 log of 1 plus 1 by x square root over plus 2 by 9, 1 plus 1 by x square and to the power 3 by 2 plus c. So this is the final answer to this question.